Can you build a home with USDA loan? Are you dreaming of building your own home but wondering if a USDA loan can help you achieve that? Well, you're in the right place. Let's break down how you can use a USDA loan for construction. Yes, you can build a home using a USDA loan, specifically through a USDA construction loan program. This program is designed to finance the construction of new homes in eligible rural areas. First, let's talk about the basic requirements. The home must be built in an area designated as rural by the United States Department of Agriculture. This is a key eligibility criterion since USDA loans focus on rural development. Additionally, the property must be intended as your primary residence. This means you cannot use USDA loans for investment properties, vacation homes, or commercial buildings. When it comes to credit, borrowers typically need a minimum credit score of around 640. Some lenders might accept slightly lower scores based on their policies. Your debt-to-income ratio is also important. Generally, it should be 41% or less, with housing costs not exceeding about 29 to 34% of your monthly pre-tax income. Income limits apply as well, based on USDA guidelines for your area. These limits can vary depending on location and household size, so it's essential to check the specific requirements for your situation. Now, let's move on to property and construction requirements. The home must comply with USDA property standards, which often include size limits of around 2,000 square feet, although there can be exceptions. Construction must be carried out by a USDA-approved contractor. These builders need at least 2 years of experience in single-family home construction, proper licenses, and sufficient liability insurance, often around $500,000 or more. They also need to pass background and credit checks. Your new home must come with a construction warranty, ensuring that any issues that arise after completion are covered. When it comes to the loan structure and process, USDA construction loans often combine the land purchase and construction financing into a single loan. This simplifies the process for borrowers. After construction, any remaining funds are typically applied to the loan principal. Lenders will require detailed documentation and verification of your eligibility, contractor qualifications, and property compliance with USDA standards. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, offering USDA construction loans involves careful underwriting. They need to ensure that borrowers meet credit, income, and property criteria. These loans support rural development by enabling qualified borrowers to build new homes with favorable terms, often including no down payment. However, the complexity of construction loans means lenders must closely monitor the project and work only with approved contractors to manage risks effectively. So, to answer your question, yes, you can build a home with a USDA loan, but it requires meeting specific borrower, property, and contractor standards.